viewers, I hope you all are doing very well and preparing very well. Students, you all know that many vacancies have already come, whether it is IBPS PO or it is IBPS clerk or it is Bank of Maharashtra or Bank of Baroda. Now, what the students were waiting for, that was RRB, that is Regional Rural Bank, and the notification is out now. Yes, students, you heard it right. The 56 banks RRB notification has been released by IBPS. As we all know that there were some changes with the introduction of prelims and mains. The main surprising thing in this exam is that in prelims examination, there is no English section. Yes, students, this is the change which has been brought by IBPS for RRBs, and also the timing for the prelims has been reduced to only 45 minutes. There have been some more changes also. So, what we are waiting for? Let's discuss all about the RRB recruitment 2016. Now, if we talk about the recruitment has been released for office assistant, that is clerical, scale 1 officer, that is PO, scale 2 officers and scale 3 officers. Scale 2 officers, we have the GBO, that is the General Banking Officer, and with that the specialist officers. If we talk about the total number of vacancies, you can clearly see in this slide the total number of vacancies announced by IBPS for office assistant is 8824. For officer scale 1, it is 5539. For scale 2, AO means agriculture officer, we have 152. Officer scale 2, MO, that is marketing officer, we have 75. IT officer, we have 130. And officer scale 2, which is GBO, that is general banking officer, it is 1533. With that, there are more some vacancies related to SO posts, but these are the important posts which you can apply for. If we talk about the important dates, now the dates you can clearly see the online registration will start from 14th of September and till 30th of September. And what we were talking about, the prelims exam has been introduced. Yeah, it will be held for officer scale 1 in November, that is 5th and 6th November, and for office assistant it will be 12th November, 13th November and 19th November. Students, note down that on 20th November you also have IBPS PO mains paper. So you don't have to worry about how you have to prepare for RRBs. It is just the same. If you are preparing for IBPS PO, students, this is a very important point I am talking about. If you are preparing for IBPS PO, then the RRB preparation, you don't have to specifically go for RRB. Yes, RRB pattern is a bit easier, you can say. The level of RRB will not be like IBPS PO. It will be a bit easier than IBPS PO, but you are preparing for the tough level. So the IBPS RRB you can easily give. Now, if we talk about the examination dates for scale 1 officer, it is 5th November and 6th November. Office assistant 12th November, 13th November and 19th November. Then the mains exams. Now, remember students, there is no prelims exam for the scale 2 and scale 3 officers. We only have mains exams. We'll discuss the pattern soon in this video only. Now, the result will be declared in December 2016 and the allotment will be done in February 2017. This RBI has already released. These dates have been given by IBPS. Now, if we talk about the age eligibility, age limit you can clearly read for office assistant between 18 years to 28 years, for officer scale 1 between 18 years, that is above 18 years, below 30 years, for officer scale 2 above 21 years, below 32 years, and for officer scale 3 it is above 21 years and below 40 years. And also you can clearly see in this notification of IBPS, it is clearly written that for office assistant the candidate should not have been born earlier than 2nd September 1988 and later than 1st September 1998. Both these dates are inclusive. Now let's talk about the educational qualification, and the basic education qualification for office assistant and for the scale 1 officer and for scale 2 officer is graduation. And for scale 2 officers, SO, that is the specialist officers for agriculture, obviously the graduation or the post graduation in agriculture. For IT, BTech and other technical degrees. And for marketing officer, you must have the MBA with marketing. If we see the common education qualification, you can clearly see for office assistant, graduate from a recognized university. For officer scale 2, graduate once again from a recognized university or its equivalent. Now there is a common note is that proficiency in local languages which is prescribed by the participating RRBs along with the desirable knowledge of computer skills. Students, while filling the form of IBPS RRB, you have to keep in mind the regional language, and this time also the regional language is written in front of the banks where all the 56 banks have been mentioned in the notification. You can read all the notification in the app, that is the ADA 247 app, or you can visit bankazada.com to visit this notification. We have mentioned, we have clearly given what are the regional languages for the RRBs. Clear? Now, for the educational qualification of GBO, there is a percentage required. You can clearly read in the slide the degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50 percentage marks. Students, in scale 1 officer and office assistant, there is no percentage criteria, but in GBO, they have clearly written that a minimum of 50% aggregate is required, and also 2 years as an officer in a bank or financial institution is required. Clear? Now, there's a note you have to note down. It is clearly stated by IBPS that for scale 1 officer and for GBO post, that is a general banking officer post, preference will be given to a candidate which is having a degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, agriculture engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. These are the desirable, or these are the preferences which will be given to a candidate if a candidate is graduate in this field. Clear? Now let's talk about the pattern of examination, and as we already discussed, this time RRB office assistant and scale 1 officer, we have prelims, mains. For GBO and other specialist officers, we have only mains exam. So let's discuss the pattern. Now the prelims pattern, you can clearly read the prelims pattern. We only have reasoning, we have numerical ability or the quantitative aptitude, 40 questions. This means a total of 100 questions with only 45 minutes. This is the pattern for IBPS prelims of RRB, PO, that is scale 1 officer and office assistant. Now let's talk about the first IBPS, RRB, scale 1 officer and office assistant mains pattern. You can clearly read reasoning, numerical ability or quantitative aptitude, general awareness. Now in this you will be having an option. Either you can go for English language or you can go for Hindi language, and there will be computer knowledge also. Clearly 200 questions, 200 marks, 2 hours. Note down, reasoning we have 40 questions of 50 marks, numerical ability or quantitative aptitude we have 40 questions of 50 marks, and rest all are 40 marks, and computer is only of 20 marks. Now let's talk about the pattern of IBPS, RRB, GBO, that is general banking officer. Reasoning, again 40 questions, 50 marks, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. So clearly the mathematics portion in the GBO pattern, in the GBO paper will be of very high level. We can also say it will be like the pattern of SBI PO because it has clearly mentioned quantitative aptitude with data interpretation. So we can see out of 40 questions, maybe we can expect approximately 3 to 4 DIs. Rest, we don't have general awareness here, we have financial awareness, and financial awareness mainly means the banking awareness. 40 questions, 40 marks, English language, 40 questions, 40 marks, and computer knowledge, 40 questions of 20 marks. And the timing is 2 hours, the same number of questions, 200, and the number of marks is also 200. Now, if we talk about the next pattern is IBPS RRB SO, that is the Specialist Officer. Reasoning, 40 questions, 40 marks. Quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, 40 questions, 40 marks. Financial awareness, we also have the same financial awareness here, 40 questions, 40 marks. English language portion is a bit, you can say, language portion, we can say it is not that much of marks. English language, 40 questions, 20 marks, or you can attempt Hindi language, 40 questions of 20 marks. Once again, we have computer knowledge, 40 questions of 20 marks, and professional knowledge. Students, this is what the SO required. Marketing, we will be having a paper based on marketing. For agriculture, we will be having a paper based on agriculture. For IT, we will be having a paper based on IT. Also, we have finance, we have treasurer, we have law officer also in this particular post. So students, now if we talk about the interviews, these are the patterns of the examination. Now let's discuss again the step. Once again we came to the step 1 is prelims, the step 2 is mains. Students, remember that the pattern, we have a step 3, that is interview, and interview is only for scale 1 officer, scale 2 officer, and scale 3 officer. This clearly means that we don't have interviews for the office assistant post. So students, this was the analysis, or this was the important points from the RRB notification 2016. All the best, do well, prepare hard. For sure, you can easily clear this RRB as you are preparing for IBPS already.